Hey guys, racing here again. I'm racing my IROC and my Losi Nascar. We got the first race up for the IROC. I got my tires soaked in. I replaced my right front tires, so hopefully it does a lot better. Stay tuned. Alright.
Can't go, David ain't.
Woo!
Oh, wow. Well, catch me!
Bill comes out firing the hot lap and then instantly rolls it on the next corner.
Whoa!
I need to increase my steering.
30 seconds down, Tyler, Bill, Peyton,
It's all right.
David, hot lap with Tyler,
Cheater!
5:30.
Cheater!
I mean, I can't say anything about that car, that ain't my old one.
No, I swapped them. A lot of shit you
Bill
do.
just ran his hot lap, 5:55.
Sorry.
Peyton's hot lap, 5:86. David's hot lap, 6:68.
I can't turn with shit.
I can't either.
Tyler's the only one with a 50 lap pace.
Yeah!
Tyler just went 5:26, Bill.
Whoa,
He's
shit.
faster.
What? Oh.
More trouble for Eber.
Bud.
That's going to promote Peyton to the TU.
Whoa!
Hey, Bill.
Steering valve.
Remember what they say in Days of Thunder?
Rubbing racing, baby. Whoa!
Go out and hit the pace car, because you hit everything else.
Where's he at?
I would say it's the one right in front of you.
Got him. Whoa, shit.
2 down, 3 to go. Tyler out front, 55.504. Peyton, 50.505. Bill, 44.5 flat.
Oh, Jesus.
David, 39.503. Chad, triple mains, or is it just set for normal?
I'm okay with that.
God damn it.
I need to increase my steering.
Yeah. Boy, you hit me and I'll whoop your ass. You put me in together that about 13 years ago. Yeah, well, it came back, didn't it?
3 down, 2 to go. Tyler's out front, 54.504. Peyton on a 55 flat. Bill, 46.501. David up to a 45.04.
I gotta be on 10 minutes ago. I was at 44. It's gonna be 10 minutes to run 2 fucking laps. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Oh, yes, so am I.
Monkey see, monkey do kind of thing. Hey, Daddy's gonna flip his car. I'm gonna flip mine.
Do it. Whoa!
Sorry.
There's synchronized
Sorry.
bicycling.
Shit! Whoa, shit! Whoa, shit!
I would say something about the setup, but I think it's more driver.
It is, today. Yeehaw!
I see what it is. Driver coming a little too hot.
No.
Under a minute to go, Tyler out front. Down to a 53.502. Peyton down to a 49.55. Bill 46.501. David up to a 41.505. IROC Heat 2, you will be up next in about 45 seconds.
Thank God. Kurt's fucking back hurt. Randy's tired of running. Let's get this shit over with. Whoa.
Good.
David cut me off. You see that?
I did not.
5 lines away and he cut me off.
He did bump you. He did rub you.
Whoa.
A little bit.
Oh. Oh crap.
David, you can't park there.
Trouble for about everybody on that lap.
Bill Doe done.
I'm done.
Tyler Ebert done.
I paid for this, so I'm
Done.
going.
That's the race. Slow him down. Tyler gonna take
All drivers are
back. He's
finished.
51,503. Here we go.
Starting already, Randy?
Wow!
What's front right?
There
Yep, I
it is!
started already.
Sons of bitches!
Yeah. Down the front step. Son of a bitch. Wanted to get out of the way early. Couldn't even wait for the corner.
Whoa! Shit! Didn't even honk their horn! God damn! Whoa! Fucking still swinging out wide.
Me too.
Like good, clean, tight race going on right now.
I wouldn't go that way.
Got 1 minute in. We got Randy.
Cheater!
Well, Bud just took over the pit spot, so we got Randy, Bud, Rick, Kenzie, Bill, and David.
Yeah, we're stuck in hind tip, David.
Huh?
We're stuck in hind tip.
I always suck hind tip.
Top 5 drivers are all fighting for position.
Oh, I did not see that.
I didn't either, because nobody fucking announced it.
Look out, Bill!
Holy shit!
Come around, motherfucker!
Use your turn signal, damn it!
I did. I bumped your doors.
I didn't see that, I felt it. Next time, honk the horn.
We got Randy, Rich, and Bud all looking to go 1, 2, 3 overall.
It's like slower dog shit.
Randy DePew is out on a 52.5 flat.
He's cheating though. Damn it!
Bud Wilson with a hot lap of the race at a 5.509.
Oh, he's cheating too. Gotta be. Go ahead, say Richard's name. He's cheating too.
I'm cheating like a motherfucker.
Whoa.
That's right. I got an illegal ring on mine, motherfucker. You just don't know it. Doug's just cheating a little bit more. They got me some downforce going. Woo, baby. Look at that number 5. Looking.
Oh.
Man! Kenzie putting Randy DePew in a wall.
Whoa! Sorry, bud.
Don't mess with her, boys. She will get you.
She'll fuck you up.
Oh.
Get off my ass, Randy. Get out of my way.
So great.
Look out, you fucking bitches.
Oh my gosh. What is going on?
Well,
I got a sandwich.
3 minutes in. It's Randy, Rich, Bud, Bill, Kenzie, David.
That's because Randy used Bill and fucking put me to the wall.
Randy still looking to go 1 overall. Rich, 2 overall.
bullshit.
Look out, Bill.
Holy shit.
You fucker.
Whoa.
Bill's out here causing shit.
Oh shit. Shit, help. Oh shit, help.
Go high and forward.
Oh shit.
Oh, my
Help.
1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Keep them going.
out. Fuck you, Rick. Payback for hell, motherfucker.
You gotta catch him first.
I know, I gotta keep on going.
Okay, so who's in front? Is that Kidney? Okay, what would you on? Where's Webster? I'm coming. Running me. I'm coming.
He's right by me.
Come on, Rich.
Rich Webster now taking over the lead.
Oh, I'll fuck that up.
Randy is 3/10 behind Rich.
You put me in the fucking wall.
Gotta do what I gotta do, man.
Rich has got some lap traffic in front of him. Then he's got to deal with Bill.
You betcha. Go, Bud, go. Oh, turn right.
That was time, guys. I'm sorry.
You got me.
There's your last run.
Motherfucker said turn right.
Oh, my ship's dead. Fuck. My fucking
It's all that
plane.
chaos.
Alright, so on last place on IROC, I believe I had to add a lot more steering. I changed my controller, I added and then tried it out, and then added a spacer to my right rear to increase my steering. And second or third to last in Losi Nascar. We have to do a lot to the Losi Nascar, so next points race, we're gonna get this one ready. We're gonna add some speed to it this week, and we're gonna try it out. But I'm just racing this one for fun right now, so this one, just trying to figure it out. Stay tuned.
Stand by, going green. Bud look a little loose.
I ain't got no brakes.
Seconds down, it's David, Tom, Bill, Bud. Oh man, David getting roughed up by the boxer.
You what?
See Bud up there yelling, I'm sorry, but I have a hard time believing that one.
I wasn't even on the gas.
Looked like he turned a little right to help out there.
He might have.
Man, now the order is Bill, Bud, David, Tom.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. I don't mind.
And today the hot lap with Bill, 5:59.
How hard is that? You cheated, Bill?
Finish line way, hot lap to blowout. Bill doing his normal.
Keep doing it, Bill.
I'm going to put David out front, Bud in the 2, Bill in the 3, Tom in the 4. Bill, David, and Tom running better than their last run. Bud staying equal.
What's that?
Yeah.
Bud got him.
Oh, whoa.
I got my front. Nope. Somehow that was Bud out front. Bill in the 2, David in the 3, Tom in the 4.
Somehow.
I'm catching up to David though.
Oh, sorry.
Bud Bud scared David a little bit. Made it go along.
My fingers are slipping. Ah!
God, Bill, you went
Looks like a little payback, but battle for the top spot, tighten it up. Want to get second separation between Bud and Bill. It's coming. Bud reset his hot lap 570. Bill's hot lap 540. David 609. Tom 633. Everybody now running better than they did the first. The only one looking at improve is David. He's going to move up one spot to the 8.
Here, let me shove him up there.
All right.
One back to go. Bud, Bill, David, Tom.
Wait. Whoa, Bill.
Did you get nervous?
A little bit.
I did.
don't know what he was doing.
30 seconds to go. David's still the only one looking to improve the spot.
Cheating fucker.
I know.
Come on, Dave.
Time is about to expire.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Tom Woodruff done. Lap done.
We're racing. If he runs the hot lap, that means they'll be out front. It is Cassie out front. Hayden in the 2. Jeff with the 3. Bill and David. Cassie Olsen out front. What's that hot lap of the race? 5:48. That's faster than an old man. Move up 7 spots. We're at the very top of the
Whoa.
list. Got 2 laps on TQ right now. Keep running that same line. It looks really good. 130 down, 330 to go. Kenzie, Payton, Eagle, Bill, David is in running order. Payton looking to move up 6 spots to the 5 overall. Bill looking to move up a few spots.
Whoa, sorry.
Stay out of trouble. You still got us better than TQ pace. Coming up to halfway, Kenzie, Payton, Eagle, Bill, David. that flag spot's better than this. I know, I want to use double, don't count. Minute 50 to go.
Sorry.
Kenzie, Peyton, Eagle, Bill, David. Kenzie looking to move up 7 spots. Peyton looking to move up 5. Bill is looking to move up 4. Everybody else is looking to stay the same or drop.
Well, oh.
One minute to go. Kenzie, Eagle, Peyton, Bill, David is your running order. Trouble for you to new spot. It's going to give Kenzie some breathing room. That's going to put Peyton to the 2. 30 seconds to go. The battle for the top position is tightening up between Peyton, Kenzie, and Jeff. Seconds to go. Jeff off road, Peyton is 2, Kenzie 3, Bill, David is in running order.
Jeffrey Eagle done. Jeffrey Oliver done. Will done.
Looking to last in this in IROC and last place in Losi Nascar. That last round. I'm going to practice a little bit for my IROC, so hopefully I can get it a little bit better. This one we need to do a lot of change to get our gear drive train working a lot better. It's not going to get faster until next week, so hopefully next week we can get it a lot faster. As far as this one, we're going to try to get it turn in a lot faster. I'm going to add some spacers to one of the corners, see if we can't get it turning in a lot better. I'm having to hit the brakes and it's not turning in too well. I may show you guys my practice run, but who knows. Stay tuned.
Gonna go green this time by.
Whoa, fuck you, bro.
Whoa.
Oh, Bill and Tom get to roll into this one.
Bud got him. Bud's my fucking, I know, but
Whoa.
this is the one ball. Whoa, motherfucker. Fucking still snapping, you bitch.
30 seconds down, it's David, Bud, Bill, Tom. Hot lap with the guy that's spending more time on his roof.
Yeah, of course.
576 hot lap.
That's it.
I may be up front, but I'm not fast.
I can't get this motherfucker to turn. Look out, bud!
Whoa!
Thank you. Shit!
Do you know how to drive though?
Oh, the fucking thing
Minute down, 3 to go. Bud, David, Bill, Tom is your running order.
Use your brakes.
It's fucking one extreme.
Bud 48.502, David 48.502, Bill on a 43.5 flat.
Look out, David.
41.502.
I'm watching. Whoa. Sorry, Kurt.
Hell! Oh. Why didn't you guys tell me this shit? You guys gotta tell me what's going on.
I'm not gonna take him out. That means I'm gonna go out.
Fucking I'll hit you both.
Between 1 and 4.
I'll hit you both.
Bud trying to monster truck Tom.
Could have used it as a ramp. That'd have been fucking cool. Son of a bitch. Hey, Kurt, you want to grab?
Coming up to halfway. David out front now. Bud in the 2. Bill.
He's
Tom.
Fuck you.
Oh. Oh!
That's one way you get the lead. Bud, you forgot to honk honk coming through.
Where's he at? I'll get his ass. He's the only one I ever fucking did.
Well, he did the hell out of me today.
Well, let's figure out a fucking way.
Well, I'm sorry about that.
Oh.
2 minutes ago, Bud out front. 47.
Oh!
Fell on you.
You did.
David getting
Used up. Just say it.
I'm getting away from you guys.
We got some shit going on now. Fuck.
$130 to go. Bud out front, 47.502. David 46.5 flat. Bill on a 44.503. Tom on a
Shit, I feel like
43.504.
y'all like a third.
Nobody now looking to improve.
Whoa.
Wreck too much, guys.
Hit me. Fuck, I don't care. That son of a bitch is in the way. Give it to it.
Ooh, sorry.
Whoa, shit. Here, grab that one. No.
Hit the brakes, Bill.
I don't have any fucking brakes.
What is your like brake bias?
100%.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. My camera is so fucked up.
You need to do your end points.
No.
Now David, the only one looking to improve, move up 1 spot.
Eat, eat, eat. Oh, fucker.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, Kurt.
Oh, that one's done. Somebody grab that old Milwaukee
Don't
car.
grind it. Don't grind
Here or
it.
something. Sure, I'll drive one or the other.
God damn it. Where here? Whoa!
Oh, trouble for Ebert again.
Help!
Yeah.
Help!
The boxer done. Builder done.
What is it, Justin?
All drivers are finished.
Oh man, only one improved was David. He goes up to 7 overall. We're racing. All right, 30 seconds down. We got Kenzie out front, Peyton in the team. Bill Ebert, Bill Case, David Long.
Whoop whoop.
Kenzie in the number 5 Cowboy. Kyle Larson paint team. Peyton in the number 9 Napa Chase Elliott paint team. They're all in all orange. Or Bill Ebert in the orange. Bill Case in the 20 Gillette. And David, he's in the green and orange.
Crown Royal.
What is that on it?
Crown Royal. Oh.
Another minute 30 down. Kenzie still out front. Peyton 2. Bill Ebert, Bill Case. Battle between 2, 3, and 4 is tightening up.
Oh, sorry.
Peyton, Bill Ebert, Bill Case.
Damn it.
Oh.
Coming up to halfway. Kenzie still out front. Peyton in the 2. Bill Ebert, Bill Case, David Long. Hot draft list. Bill Case, 563. That's pretty good. Gets a little loose coming out of 4. Kenzie gets recent hot lap of the race, 5:54. Lap 48, that's pretty good. Minding her own business, staying out of trouble. .30 to go. Kenzie, Bill Ebert, Peyton, Bill Case, David Long running order. Kenzie, Peyton, Bill Ebert, Bill Case, David Long. Later in the 5 bobbling, got plenty of clear track in front of her. Hop lap of the race by Peyton Kimball, 5:52. 15 seconds to go. That is time. Keep going to hear your name called.
I moved up one position for my slash late model or IROC, and I'm still last place for Losi Nascar. Like I said, we got to do a lot of work on them on that Losi Nascar. Stay tuned this week, and we'll do the video. stay tuned for that video. We're just gonna run it as it is. The track is getting a lot of grip on it right now, so I'm not gonna soak any of those tires, so I don't traction roll. So I might do the rears on here, but that's about it. Stay tuned. The mains are coming up, and third in the B main, and there's going to be a snake bucket race for the Losi Nascar. I entered that in, and we'll see how we do. I don't think we'll hoping we'll at least get second for IROC. If we do, I'll be jumped into the A main, and hopefully we can do it. Tune in later.
Alright, we're going around. I'm going to start you guys as long as you don't wreck in between now and then. David.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't stall up.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, 50 laps to go. Payton out front, building the two. Bud, David, Tom.
God damn it. Fuck, you can have it. I just want to go smoke.
Oh yeah, you were wrenching on.
3-second lead over Bill. Bill has about a second lead over Bud.
God damn it.
Bud to the tail of Bill now.
Bud, take it. God damn it, I want to go smoke. Fucking hit that orange piece of shit.
Hot lap with Ebert right now, 5:29. But your leader is in the multicolored black silver job of Payton. How do you describe it? It's silver with a bunch of paint splatter on it. Second and third get tangled up. I think that's going to allow David to creep up to the 3.
David, hurry up. I want to go smoke.
Oh,
Oh, David cleaned his butt. Leader trying to get through the mess. He does. Payton has a lap on the field. Payton has Bill, and everybody would be 2 laps down to Payton.
God damn it, there it
Oh,
is.
there it happened. Oh, and then he pulls out in front of Bud.
oh my gosh.
Pull that fucker off.
Payton, watch the center, get out of the center. Stay high or low, just out of the center.
Oops, sorry, Randa.
29 to go.
Payton, I'm going high. Oh,
Trouble for your first place guy. It shouldn't hurt him too bad. Still got 2 laps on the field. $25 to go. Payton, Bud, David, Tommy's your running order.
oh.
21 to go. Payton, Bud, David, Tom. Payton clearing, sailing ahead of him. He's gonna get a while before he catches back up to the tail end of the field. to go. Might get Chad or Kurt come up to the announcer booth real quick.
Whoa. Going high, Peyton.
9 laps to go for Peyton. He's got 3 laps on the field.
Whoop.
Five to go. Trouble for your leader, but he has a few laps to spare. White flag's out for me, and here he comes down. He's going to take the B-main win. Bought in the 2. David 3. Tom 4. Bill 5.
Easy, Bill, easy.
It's a race. Golden and on, he's getting the tumble. I didn't see what happened other than caught going flying. Oh, he got much out of it. I would have never guessed it was this race. Lots of backstretch. Nice. You guys remember. If you let down, they might run some later. So this guy's winning.
Right.
We got Rick running around front still.
Yeah.
Randy, if you let him do that, you stay in that green. Eagle was coming to the board. Kevin all the way from 12 to 5. Justin and then Dave, Bill, Hank, Bud, Billy Burke, Coleman, and David Long.
Oh, shit, sorry.
Oh,
Something happened on that backstretch. Go low on the backstretch. Low on the
sorry.
backstretch. Low on the backstretch. That is not low. Something's full.
So he's going high.
Low, that means we can go low. Lock low on the backstretch. Low on the backstretch. Ray Webster still out front, leading the way. Justin Mitchell now in the street.
There's too many of those cars out there. Sorry, about 3 of them. I don't know which one to hit. All of them?
oh, sorry, Bill. Randy.
I'm gonna get the bumper for the train. Not turning away at me, third.
Oh, sorry.
Not turning left.
Bill. Red Cow 1, Justin 2, Kevin's up to the 3 now. Eagle back down to the 4. Randy up to the 5 after he lost his 5. Jensen lost his 5. She's up to 6. Bought it at 7. John 8. Payne at 9. Billy for 10. David 11.
Woo woo.
No!
Watch in the front stretch. High in the front stretch. High in the front stretch. Here's here now.
Oh.
Lock 1 and 2. Easy out of 2. Into 1. Lock going into 1. Go high into 1. High into 1. Madness going all over the place now. These guys are getting frisky with 38 laps to go. Plenty of racing to go. Just stick around and make good moves.
I'll show you frisky.
Rich Webster still just spanking the field. Oh, Justice ships underneath the car and door slams him. He's going to try to make excuses, but that was all him. Someone's going to give him a seat on that one. Rich still out front. Justice and Kevin back to the street. Making moves, driving smart. Randy driving smart. He's looking to the door. Back to Eagle, Olsen, Ebert, Kimball, Wilson, Long. Henry, I don't know where he is.
He's on the driver's stand.
He's on the Oxford transponder loop. He's still on the track.
Hey, I didn't spin it. No, it worked out pretty good.
You have to talk to your crew chief. Red still leading it around.
Go! Here we go!
Whoa, I don't know who that was. That wasn't a ride. Is that Major? I don't know where you were driving. Lock it, 4 and 2, lock 1 and 2.
Oh.
How did you get caught up, Bill?
This guy's commanding lead right now.
He let off the fucking gas and I drove up the wall.
Randy, Todd, Olsen, Ebert, Wilson, Kimball, Long, Kenzie, Bill. Bill Ebert making moves now.
Oops, sorry, Zane.
Something happening on that backtrack. Red Webster out front, knocking these laps down. He's got 10 to go. He's come out just went back to the strike. Following some flat traffic, a little bit of bump. He gets away clean though.
Whoa.
I don't think they like you, Rich. Oh no!
Low in turn 4, low in turn 4. Well,
we're going.
Low on the front stretch. Okay, fix that body, fix that body. I think his body comes down. 4 to go, Rick out front. Justin trying to catch him. Rick
Darn eye.
a little bit of trouble. Didn't help him none. Can't even leave this around. Go, white flag to the out. Justin makes the move on him. He's in the lead. This is the white flag. Checker flag is out. Justin takes out Bill Ebert for the win.
Oh, sorry. Okay, we got 3rd place in the B main, so we didn't quite make the A main. We got last place in Losi Nascar, but we're gonna do a snake race. I'm gonna show a videotape of that, and then I'm gonna have a separate video of just the snake race. It's a snake bucket race, so stay tuned. Probably not gonna win it, but it's gonna be for fun, so stay tuned.